below, I'm going to show you how to repair a damaged door. As you can see, this is a closet door right here, and as you can see, damaged. These kind of door has to be repaired because can't really afford all these tenants just keep on breaking doors and then keep on buying new ones. Okay, so we go fix it. And they broke where the hinge is at. See, they broke. So we go replace this wood. It's easy fix. It's easy fix, all right? Go replace that. Let's take it off the hinge. The rest of them off the hinge. I don't know what the door did to them, but always. Let's get it started. Let me get it off the hinge. See, when they kicked the door, crack right here. Crack all the way here. So I'm just gonna replace the whole thing. All right. I'm gonna chisel it out. Door. 79-inch. We'll cut this 79-inch. This I had to cut, this is a 2x4. If you guys wondering what it is, what I'm doing. So, that's why you see knots right here now. It's a 2x4. So, basically, you can't really buy, without modification, you can't really buy the exact size. So this is actually, first I cut it 1 1/4, which is a little bit thicker, and realize it's actually 1 1/8. So I cut it 1 1/8 and 1 inch. Okay, just 1 inch thick, so it'd be more supportive. Okay, so we go have 1 1/4, 1 1/8, and 1 inch by this 2x4. We're using 2x4. So we go put wood glue all around it. Wood glue. Wood glue, that. And you want to put the wood glue on the other side also. You want to put it on like this. Whoa, within between. Careful. Use your clamp. Make sure you line up. And use 4 of them. If you don't have any of these clamps, you can also use a You can also you can lay it flat and just put rocks on top of it. You have to take off the lock. Okay, so you can lay it flat on the ground and just lay something heavy on top of it. But that's how you repair the door. So you gotta learn how to repair a door when you actually do rentals here. Because these doors, to regular people, is not that expensive. It's $100 or so, but to investor, it's expensive. Okay, when you damage the door, because $100 here, $100 there. This is, as you can see, 4 doors already been damaged. That's an extra $400. See, that's how I repair doors. I repair people punching holes in the door. Know how to prepare people punching holes in the door and people breaking the door. Okay? But if you like my video, please subscribe. I appreciate it. All right, thank you.